Hello my dears, today I am drawing this beautiful ice creams. We need brown color, biscuit color, crimson color, green color, yellow color, red color. Let's start. Please subscribe. I'm drawing first ice cream. I like to eat ice cream. Do you like it? Now I am drawing second ice cream. Woo! Third ice cream. Woo! It's going to be so colorful after the painting. Brown color.
Hickory dickory dock, the bee buzzed round the clock. The clock struck
Crimson
five.
color.
She went to her high. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory
Green
dock,
color.
the hen pecked at the clock. The clock struck 6. Oh little 6. Hickory dickory dock, tick
Yellow color.
tock. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick.
Green color.
Hickory dickory dock. Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock.
Red color.
Clock struck 1, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock,
Biscuit color.
at the clock struck 2. Away she flew. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the dog barked at the clock. The clock struck 3.
Yellow color.
Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
Crimson color.
Hickory dickory dock,
Orange color.
the